Vivian, here's my problem. Alright, this came from here, and this was the left motor that I desoldered to test the motor. So I have to return this anyway, since it's threaded differently. I'll show you the voltage on this, and I will show you, before I switch this back, I will show you all these three running in Betaflight, and let me get that set up for you and I'll get right back. Okay, so I've got it connected to Betaflight. You can see my main battery voltage is 15.3. That's because I charged this to storage mode, so they're not full. What else? I'll set up over here, so I'm going to arm this, and you will see and it's in air mode, so you can see all three motors start to spin. All three spin. So this is the one I'm interested in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and desolder it, put it back here, and this is the orientation of the ESC, so the MOSFETs are down so that it will match this one. And then I'm going to solder this motor back to here where this originally came from, and you'll see that this motor will spin. So we know this spins and this spins, and we know that these three ESCs are good. And now that I think about it, I'm just going to put a little mark on here so I can remember, a little blue dot right there, so I can remember which one it is, and so you can maybe see a little better what I'm talking about. There. Let's also, well, yeah, you'll be able to. Alright, so here I'm back, and you can see, maybe you can't see, there's the blue, so I took that off and resoldered it here, and this was the one that was just sitting over here. This is, now everything is where it originally was, and if I go into air mode, you'll see these all spin, but this is good. I know this is good, so I'm going to leave this here, and I'm just going to suspect this. Now you asked what the voltage was on this, so I'm going to show you that, and it should be that. So let me get my multimeter up and a way to hold this phone, and I will show you that on the multimeter. Okay. I have that wedged under a blob of solder. You can see it's 1517 when I take off the pad. Okay. Oh, anyway, and that's pretty much main battery voltage. So you can see that, let's see if I can see those two solder joints there. They're pretty good. So yeah, it's got the voltage that it should have. It's good here, and it's good here. The only thing that's not good is that. So if you guys could send me another one of those, or maybe two, since I've heard they go bad quite a bit, but if you could send me another one of those, that would be great. Thanks a whole lot.